Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll be studying about the functions of financial management. Before discussing about financial management functions, we'll say about the meaning of financial management. See, financial management is nothing but the utilization, procurement, and the distribution of the funds. How you are going to first of all collect the funds, and how you are going to utilize those funds, and after getting the profit, how you are going to distribute the profit or money to the shareholders or investors. So that is what a financial management is. Now, what are the important functions of financial management? The important functions are, first of all, estimating the amount of capital required. If you want to start any business, whether it is industry, company, or whether it is any shop or any business, the first important function of financial management is you have to estimate the amount of capital required, right? How much capital is required for your business? Depending on that, the further planning will be done by you can do your further planning. Second is determining your capital structure. Once you come to know about your capital requirement, right? This is our total capital requirement. The total amount of money invested by us will be some lakhs or crores of money. Now after that, what will be your capital structure? So you have to determine your capital structure, you have to plan your capital structure. In what way your capital structure will be, whether it will be entire equity shares or whether it will be entire the particular debentures, loans. In what way you are going to decide your capital structure. Then a choice of source of funds. Then after determining your capital structure, now what kind of sources you want to go, whether you want to go with the long term sources, whether you want to go with medium term or short term sources, or whether you want to go for internal sources, external sources, only you want to go for equity, debenture. So you have to decide, so which kind of sources you want, right? So that is the important function of financial management. Then procurement of funds, right? Once you decided all those things, the collection of the funds from the people is very important task, right? So that is also a function of financial management, right? The procurement of the funds from the different categories or sources, right? Whatever sources you have selected, from those sources the procurement has to be done by you, right? That is a important function of financial management. Similarly, utilization of funds. Then when procurement is done, when the funds are being collected by you, where you are going to utilize those funds, right? Whether you are going to utilize it for the fixed cost capital investment you want to do, or you want to do any revenue expenditures. So in what way expenditure has to be done, utilization has to be done. So those all things are also the important functions of financial management. Then disposal of profit or surplus. Once you get profit, now there you get two options, whether you will be distributing the profit to the shareholders, or instead of distributing the profit, you will be retaining the earnings, you will be keeping the earnings with you, and you will be telling to the shareholders, giving them extra amount of shares or some other methods. So the disposal of profit or surplus amount is also a financial management important functions. Then management of cash. Management of the cash is important because the cash is playing a very important role in case of your working capital requirement. If you go with the more amount of cash, you will be having less amount of capital assets or less amount of investments. Or if you have less amount of cash, the problem will arise that you will be having less amount of money for your working capital management. So the management of the cash is very important, and this is important also a function of financial management. Then financial control. Finally, when you do these all important functions are followed properly, then ultimately there will be a financial control. Whatever expenditures you are doing or whatever financial things have been done, it will be controlled, right? It will not be like uncontrolled expenditures you are doing, or the expenditures which are not required those expenditure will not be doing if there is a financial control. So these are few important functions of financial management. Now we'll see about the basic financial decisions. As we know, the financial decisions are divided in three important types. If you go with any business, whether it is a small scale, medium scale, or a large scale, every business, every organization or industry will have these three important decisions in finance. First is investment decision, financing decision, and dividend decision. Investment decision, it is related about investments. It is related about long term and short term investments. It tells you about capital budgeting, long term investment, fixed assets. Even it tells you about your short term investments, working capital management, bank, cash deposits, receivable, etc. So here it tells you about entire thing where you are going to invest your money, right? In what particular investment you will be investing your money, or in which place you are going to invest your money. That decision is very important, and that is a decision of investment decision or investing decision, right? Once you come to know about investing decision, you have planned for investing decision, then the next decision you have to look after is financing decisions. So the financing decision is related about collection of funds. We know that we want to invest in this particular sector or this particular area. Investment decision is over. Long term investment is this much, short term investment is this lakhs and crores. But now from where to get the money, or it is related to the collection of funds. So the collection of funds particularly will be done by financing decisions. Again, in collection of funds, how much will be the debt and how much will be the equity, or how to do the raising of funds by loans, or what will be the long term funds, short term funds, medium term funds, and again planning the financial planning, capital structure decision, everything related to the sources of funds, collection of funds is a part of financial decisions, right? Then the third decision is dividend decisions. Once you get profit, it is a job of a company or an organization to distribute the dividend to the shareholders. Now dividend decision is related to profit first of all, because if you get a profit, then only you will distribute a dividend. In case of loss, you will not be distributing. Then distributing profit as dividend, then retaining earning surplus or reserves for plugging the bag. See, in some cases when the company is in need of some working capital or money, they can request to the investors, they can tell to the investors or shareholders that they will not be giving dividend, they will be giving them extra amount of shares, and they will be retaining the profit, right? So that decision ultimately is called as dividend decision, when to give the profit to the shareholders. It is very important. So these are about the functions of financial management and the decisions of financial management. Yeah, thank you all of you.